लाइक टर्म्स को आइडेंटिफाई करना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है और जनरली ये देखा जाता है कि स्टूडेंट्स इनको बिल्कुल भी आइडेंटिफाई नहीं कर पाते और इसीलिए अलजेब्रा में उनके एडिशंस और सब्ट्रैक्शंस गलत हो जाते हैं। हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू मैथ्स लैब। मेरा नाम है महेंद्र और आज का हमारा टॉपिक है अलजेब्रा। अलजेब्रा को हम 6 स्टैंडर्ड में इंट्रोड्यूस करते हैं और देखा ये गया है कि स्टूडेंट्स को इसमें बहुत प्रॉब्लम आता है और उनका ये प्रॉब्लम 10th स्टैंडर्ड तक चलता है। Algebra is that branch of mathematics which deals with constants and variable. Constant जिनकी वैल्यू को हम चेंज नहीं कर सकते, इन्हें हम नंबर से डिनोट करते हैं, नेगेटिव या पॉजिटिव, -5, -2, -10, 100, 1000, 10, 20, ये सब कॉन्स्टेंट्स कहलाते हैं। वेरिएबल जिनकी वैल्यू को हम चेंज कर सकते हैं, इन्हें हम अल्फ़ाबेट से डिनोट करते हैं, A, B, C, E, F, X, Y और Z. Let's take an example. Let x be the price of one apple. Let it be rupees 10. Now what is the value of 5x? If we will put the value of x as rupees 10, the answer is rupees 50. Let y be the price of one banana. Let it be rupees 5. Now what is the value of 5y here? If we will put y as rupees 5, the answer is rupees 25. अलजेब्रा में जब हम कॉन्स्टेंट्स और वेरिएबल को प्लस माइनस इनटू के साथ लिखते हैं तो इनको बोलते हैं अलजेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशंस और पॉलिनोमियल। इनको हम दो तरीके से क्लासिफाई कर सकते हैं, एक तो नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स के बेसिस पे और एक डिग्री ऑफ पॉलिनोमियल के बेसिस पे। डिग्री मीन्स मैक्सिमम पावर ऑफ द अलजेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन। First of all, let's see how we can classify algebraic expression on the basis of number of terms. If the number of term is 1, we call it monomial. For example, 5, 3x, x square, minus 2x cube, these are the example of monomial. If the number of terms is 2, we call it binomial. For example, x minus 2, x square minus 4, x cube minus 8, these are the example of binomial. If the number of terms are 3, we call it trinomial. For example, x square minus 2x plus 7, x cube minus 5x square plus 7x. These are the example of trinomial. If the number of terms are 4 or more than 4, they are called polynomials. Now let's see how we can classify algebraic expression on the basis of degree. If the degree is 0, we call it constant. For example, -2, 3, 10, these are the example of constant. If the degree is 1, we call it linear. For example, x minus 2, y minus 3, 3x minus 7y, these are the example of linear. If the degree is 2, we call it quadratic. For example, x square minus 7x plus 8, x square minus 4, these are the example of quadratic. If the degree is 3, we call it cubic. For example, just x cube minus 8, x cube minus 7x square plus 8x minus 10 are the example of cubic. If the degree is 4, we call it biquadratic. For example, just x to the power 4, x to the power 4 minus 16, x to the power 4 minus 8x cube plus 7x square minus 8x plus 10 are the example of biquadratic. Finally, now related terms of algebra. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लाइक टर्म्स। लाइक टर्म्स को आइडेंटिफाई करना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है और जनरली ये देखा जाता है कि स्टूडेंट्स इनको बिल्कुल भी आइडेंटिफाई नहीं कर पाते और इसीलिए अलजेब्रा में उनके एडिशंस और सब्ट्रैक्शंस गलत हो जाते हैं। सो लेट अस सी हाउ टू आइडेंटिफाई लाइक टर्म्स विद सम एग्जांपल्स। The first example is 3xy square and minus 5xy square. Here you can see the power of x is 1 in both cases, the power of y is 2 in both cases. Therefore, these two are like terms. The second is minus 10x square y z cube and 2x square y z cube. Here you can see the power of x is 2 in both cases, the power of y is 1 in both cases and the power of z is 3 in both cases. Therefore, these two are like terms. Let's take one more example, 5xy square z, 2y square xz and minus 3zy square x. Here you can see the arrangement of variable is different but the power is same. The power of x is 1 in all the 3 cases, the power of y is 2 in all the 3 cases, and the power of z is 1 in all the 3 cases. Therefore, these 3 terms are like terms. So now you understood that the power of variable is very important. If the power of variables are same in 2 or more terms, they are called like terms. If the power of variable is not same, they are called unlike terms. Let's see few examples of unlike terms. The first example is 2xy square z and minus 7xyz. Here you can see the power of x and z are same but the power of y is different. Therefore, these two are unlike terms. Let's take one more example, 2mnx and minus 3xyz. Here you can see only x variable is common in both and the other two variables are different. Therefore, these two are unlike terms. Let's understand some more related terms. First of all, products and factors. When constants are multiplied to variable, what we get are called products. For example, 3 multiplied to xy square, 3xy square is product and 3xy square are called factors. Factors are of two types, numeral factors and literals. The constants are called numeral factors and the variables are called literals. For example, in 3xy square, 3 is numeral factor and xy square are called literals. The last term to know here is coefficient. Any factor of the algebraic quantity is the coefficient of the remaining quantity. Let us understand this with few examples. In the first example, we have algebraic quantity minus 5 mnp. Here, the coefficient of mnp is minus 5. The coefficient of mp is minus 5n. Let's take another example. Here, the algebraic quantity is 4x square yz. Here, the coefficient of x square y is 4z. Coefficient of yz is 4x square. Coefficient of xyz is 4x. So now you have understood how to find the coefficient of a algebraic quantity. The coefficient of the algebraic quantity are the remaining terms. That means जिसका coefficient निकालना होता है उस term में जो बचा होता है वही उसका coefficient होता है. Here we have complete today's topic. Let's do a quick recap. Today we understood what are constants and variables, how to classify algebraic expression on the basis of number of terms and degree of polynomial, what are like terms and unlike terms, products and factors, and how to find coefficient of a algebraic quantity. I hope you have understood this topic. If you have any query, write to me in the comment box. Like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching.